National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for City of Norfolk, Northern City of Portsmouth, Northern City of Virginia Beach until 8:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:50 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. These storms were located along a line extending from Cape Henry to Churchland and moving east at 30 miles per hour. Severe thunderstorms will be near Norfolk State University, Virginia Wesleyan College and Cape Henry around 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Regent University and Kempsville around 8:10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Virginia Beach and Lynn Haven around 8:20 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Bayside, North Virginia Beach, Princess Anne Plus, Gallops Corner, Asina, London Bridge, Asina Ness, Rudy Heights, Megan's Corner, and Dam Neck. Severe thunderstorms produce damaging wind in excess of 60 miles per hour, destructive hail, deadly lightning, and very heavy rain. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business. Heavy rains flood roads quickly, so do not drive into areas where water covers the road. Heavy rainfall is also occurring with these storms and may lead to flooding of low-lying and poor drainage areas. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Issued at 0